Hey, what's up guys, welcome to FineGap, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how you can add Bootstrap in your ReactJS web application. So without any delay, let's start. First of all, you can see that I have set up the ReactJS project in my computer and open this in Visual Studio Code. Next, I will open my browser and here I'm going to search for Bootstrap ReactJS. So this is the first website that I have to open. The website name is react-bootstrap.netlify.app. On the home page of this website, you will see this button getting started. You just click on it and then here is the installation guide. So first of all, we have to copy this command and open your Visual Studio Code. From here you can open the terminal like this, new terminal, and here I'm going to paste that command. And now I will press enter. Okay, the Bootstrap is added to our project. Next, let me show you that how you can use this. Okay, so this is my app.js main component. I will again open this website and here you can see that import button. In the place of button, you can imagine any other attribute, like if you want to use Bootstrap alert, you will type here alert, and because I'm in this example I'm trying to add a button in my project, so I will copy this command and paste here. So this will helpful only to import components in your component that are only required, because in simple web application we load the whole CDN, but now it will help us to only load the required Bootstrap. So for example, if I only want to use button, I don't have to need import all of the the Bootstrap. Only button will be imported. And next, one thing you have to do is, let me scroll down, and from here you have to copy this and paste this line here as well. Okay, in the last I will simple copy this button component and paste here like this. Inside this button I will type the text login, and now I will run my project. npm start. You can see that here is my Bootstrap primary button. For example, if you want to change this button to success, I will not type here class but variant and success. Here you can see that if I want to change the size of this button, I will simply type here size attribute, and LG means large. So you can see that button is large. For example, let me copy and paste this. Here I will type the register. I'm going to type here small as its size and secondary as its class. So you can see that the register button is smaller in size and the secondary size have been applied to this button. So friends, this was the method to add Bootstrap in your ReactJS project. Please like and share this video if this video was helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section. We will try to answer your question. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel for our regular videos. And finally, thanks for watching.